Hi, Jordan here with CasterHQ, and in this video we're going to go over expandable rubber stem casters for hollow tubing. So if you have square tubing or round tubing, it doesn't really matter. The round expandable rubber stem casters or stems are the answer to that. So if you want to add casters to any piece of equipment or a table or a bird cage or anything, whether it has square tubing or round tubing, we have 10 different options of expanding stems that will work for usually like 90% of most applications. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this works, how you want to install this, and the different options on our website based on the size that you need. So the reason we only sell the round adapters and not the square is because in the past we used to supply the square rubber adapters. They do not tighten as well in square tubing as the round adapters. So the round actually fills in all the space and the gaps a lot better in the square tubing than a square adapter would. And plus a square adapter, it was just hard to expand. It's just the shape of it. But a round adapter works better in both types of hollow tubing, square and round. So when you get the caster, obviously you're gonna have a will, you're gonna order it with whatever size you need. You're going to want to take a look at the caster and this little knurl nut right here. This is what actually expands the rubber. When you tighten this down, it's going to expand that rubber. Now, you don't want to tighten this before you install it. So you want to make sure it's loose but flush where it's sitting on top of the rubber adapter, right? And then when you're ready, you're going to grab this and you're going to slowly insert that into your equipment, into the hollow tubing. Once that's inserted, you want to make sure it's flush and that you don't see the stem. You want to make sure it's completely flush. And then the easiest way to install this is grab the raceway right here and start turning clockwise. When you turn clockwise, it's going to automatically tighten and push against this rubber, and you're going to see now it's expanded. It looks kind of awkward, but yeah, that's what's going to hold the caster inside of your leg, inside of the tubing, is because the rubber is going to be expanded. And we've done this with our tables here, and once this is expanded, it is impossible to pull that out unless you loosen it. So these are very durable, very reliable. Your casters are going to stay where they need to be. And then to loosen it, you're just going to go clockwise. So if you ever need to change these out or anything like that, you can just grab the raceway and you can just turn counterclockwise. And then it's going to loosen the caster, and you can pull them out and put them inside of a different piece of equipment if you need to, or if you just need the casters temporarily, you can easily take these on and off pretty easily. So that's how you install expanding rubber stem casters. Now, on our website, I'll go ahead and show you. Well, before I get there, let's see. These are the different sizes we offer. So you can see we can pretty much accommodate just about any tubing, any hollow leg from 3/4 of an inch. This says 1 3/4, but we actually also have a 1 7/8 as well. So a little bit larger. Now, if you're on our website, which is CasterHQ.com, on our homepage, if you scroll down, you'll see a section that says stem casters. Now, you can also find it going up top on the navigation menu, light duty casters, and clicking expanding stem casters right here. When you click that, you're going to see a bunch of subcategories with different sizes, ranging from 3/4 all the way to 1 7/8. Now, I would say 1 1/2 inch ID tubes, the most popular. That's what a lot of people use in stainless steel prep tables. So restaurants, kitchens, even medical, hospitals, different places will have those stainless steel prep tables. And the inner diameter of the tubing on those is 1 1/2 inches. And so we have the 1 1/2 inch expanding rubber. Now, before I show you how to select the caster, find what you need, on all of our expanding stem casters, these actually come slightly undersized on purpose. So when you get the 1 inch, it's going to be like 0.95, and it's going to be a little bit undersized so you can insert that into your legs easily, so you don't have to struggle trying to insert that into the tubing if it was 1 inch. So when you tighten this, it'll actually allow you to tighten it over 1 inch, which is why it expands, and that's what holds it in place. So we'll go ahead and look at the 1 1/2 inch ID. You'll see we have quite a bit of products because we have a lot of different will materials and will options. So on this specific one, these come in 3 inch, 4 inch, and 5 inch diameters. and then we have a lot of different wheel materials. So just depending on what you need. Now, as far as the wheel materials go, we have polyurethane and we have rubber. The gray rubber is going to be the most floor protective. So if you have real expensive soft woods or hardwood floors and you just don't want to risk damaging them, or you don't want too much weight, putting too much pressure, the thermal rubber is a very soft durometer, and that's going to protect your floors. Now we have different polyurethane wheels as well. We have solid poly, and we have polyolefin on a polyolefin core, which is a plastic core. So and then we have plastic wheels like polyolefin. We have phenolic wheels. So once you figure out the size you need, if you want a real low profile, go with a 3-inch. That's the smallest wheel size. Figure out what you need. Now, here's the thing. If you have this fully loaded with a lot of weight, I would go with a phenolic wheel. These are not going to flat spot. They're impact resistant. They're just going to be very reliable, very durable for a very long time. So it's a good wheel, a great wheel. If these are going to be used outdoors, I'd go with the maroon poly. It's a little bit more UV resistant than a standard poly wheel, and it's a little bit better at being water resistant compared to a phenolic wheel. So I'd go with that one. Now, like I said, if you're indoors, you can use any polyurethane wheel or rubber wheel. The gray rubber wheel, like I said, is the most floor protective, but you just have to make sure not to overload it. And I probably wouldn't overload it with the capacity of 3 casters if you're using 4 casters, if it's going to be parked for a long periods of time so you don't flat spot the wheel. But these are very good options. Now, once you find the wheel you're looking for, you can click on the product page, and then you have a bunch of different options right here. So you're going to see top locking brake and total locking brake. Top locking brake is going to have a lever on the side, and when you lock that, it's going to only lock the wheel. And then we have a total locking brake that's going to have the pedal in the front of the caster. When you press that down, it's going to lock the swivel from turning and the wheel from rotating. So it's going to leave that caster completely stationary. So total lock is the better option if you need to leave a piece of equipment or a table, and let's say you're going to be working on it, or someone might bump into it and you don't want it to move at all, go with a total lock brake. If you don't mind a little play in the swivel and you just want to lock down the wheel and save some money, go with a top locking brake. When you can add to your cart, select the quantity you need, and there's frequently bought together. So if these are heavily used, you can buy a set of backup wheels. You can buy extra expanding rubber stems. You probably don't need the expanding rubber stems. You probably don't need those options. Anyways, if you ever decide to upgrade your bird cage or your table and you have a different hollow kingpin size, you have a different tubing size, you can go to parts and you can find all the different expanding rubber adapter kits themselves, which will save you some money, and you can easily swap these out on your current casters so you don't have to buy new casters. You can just take your old ones off, find the size that you need, and you can install these on your existing casters. So I'm trying to make it extremely easy for our customers. So that pretty much covers everything that has to do with expanding rubber stem casters for all hollow tubing, square and round. If you need to reach us, you can reach us Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time at 844-439-4335, or you can email us at info@CasterHQ.com. Thank you.